Have you ever struggled to create the perfect survey or analyze responses efficiently? Meet Copilot for Microsoft Forms, your AI-powered assistant to simplify it all. Whether you're gathering feedback, planning events, or conducting research, Copilot streams forms and unlocks insights fast. Let's see how it works. Starting by describing your goal. Need a post-event survey? Type a prompt like create a survey to measure attendee satisfaction. Copilot drafts questions instantly. Customize them, add branding, and hit send. Your form is ready in minutes, not in hours. Once responses roll in, Copilot becomes your analyst. Click Analyze with Copilot and get automated insights. Spot trends, themes, and even sentiment. Exports visuals to PowerPoint or Excel with one single click. Perfect for your next presentation. Save time, reduce guesswork, and make data-driven decisions. Copilot integrates seamlessly with Microsoft 365 so your workflow stays smooth. Ready to work smarter? Dive into Copilot for Microsoft Forms today, where creating surveys and understanding results is as easy as a conversation.